we're gonna unbox and test the Sony a6400 camera. Here's the box that it came in. I'm just going to open it right here. So as you can see, it came packed with all the packaging and the airbag. Right. So this is the camera, the a6400 from Sony. You can see. I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that's inside the box, and then from there we'll go out and test it out. Okay, as you can see, that's how it looks when you open the first of the box. Just pull that down. Okay, as you can see, we have the manuals and notes on about the camera. Here's a, like I said, register your product to win. It probably already expired. More accessories and lenses for the camera. Warranty paper. Manuals, instructions, and the lens instructions. Right in the camera, as you can see, we have the camera. We'll pull off this side first. It does come with a strap. It does say Sony on it. You can see it's pretty long. Set it right there. Right, next, it does come with a charging cable. It's a pretty standard cable. It looks like any other cable that you'd use for your Android devices. It comes with one charger port. It does have one battery, which is right here. It's pretty small. Alright, then the camera itself. The camera here that I have, it has already a lens attached to it, which you can see on here what lens it is. Alright, this is how the camera looks like. It does have a lens cap on it. See if I put that right. And then I believe the screen is movable. Yep, there it is. So I think you could do selfies with that if you wanted to. Alright. That's how it looks on the back. On the side, I'll even show you the charging port. You don't have one of those rapid chargers. This camera does have Wi-Fi. And on the bottom has the unlock and lock switch. Unlock it, that's the inside. You can see, and that's where the battery will go. Which will go in just like this. It does use an SD, which I don't have, which I'll pick up here in a moment when we go test out this camera. Right, and then we'll turn it on. Well, there you go, there's on and off. Just switch it to the on position, and you gotta set it up. So we'll set this camera up and we'll go out and test it. I'll take a few pictures there and take pictures with my phone, and I'll do a video with both and post it on this video. Right. Okay, so we had to pick up a bag and a SD card for the camera. The one that we had wasn't compatible for videos. So I'm gonna show you that real quick. This is what the bag fits. A long cable, a blue cloth, the charging, and the camera itself. So here at the bottom we have the SD card inside. This is the one that was compatible with it. And there you lock it in. I'm pretty much just gonna show you. I did a video with it in auto and I turned it up to the full settings. I did one on the default settings and one at full settings to show you the difference. And you'll see those videos here in just in a moment. Alright, so we're gonna take a few pictures here with the camera here around here and do a video, and we'll compare it to the phone. That way you can know what it looks like.